Today we're gonna make something that you guys have been asking for so long.
It's comforting, it's healthy,
It's from the cucina povera.
it's pasta fagioli.
Bring the pot on a medium high heat and go in with a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Go in with the soffritto and cook it for 10 minutes. And add a pinch of salt.
Now we make a little flavour bomb with parsley, rosemary and sun-dried tomatoes. Chop them all together really nice and fine. Then add it to the pan. And now we add some tomato paste.
Go in with vegetable stock.
And the beans.
Cover with a lid.
And cook for 10 minutes.
We wanna make this nice and creamy. So we're gonna take half of it and blitz it until nice and smooth.
Now add it back to the pan and give it a good stir. And just look how creamy that is now.
For this recipe, we're gonna use pasta mista.
That's a mix of different pasta, the little bits in the bottom of the box.
Today we are using orecchiette, caserecce and gnocchetti. Taste it and season it.
Bellissimo.
It doesn't need any salt to be
No, it's perfect. Go in with the pasta.
And cook it until dente. Because we are cooking the pasta directly in the sauce, it's gonna release the starch and make it even more creamy. Look at that. Comforty, creamy, perfect for this time of year.
And finish with a good drizzle of olive oil. That's so good. Just what you need on a cold day like this.